Good afternoon and welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at MarketSite in New York City is Rich Donovan. He's the founder of the Return on Disability Index, and we are going to talk about the growing value of disabled workers in the workforce and, of course, the Return on Disability Index. Rich, so great to have you with us at MarketSite. Now, before founding the index, you were a trader yourself.
I was. I spent 8 years at Merrill Lynch as a portfolio manager, trading global equities in the macro space.
And what was the genesis behind developing the Return on Disability Index?
Well, it started with a simple question. What if we looked at disability as we do every other emerging market? What would that look like? What would be the spending power? What would be the population? How would you actually make money in that market? Right. I spent about 3 years doing the research on that. I found it was probably the third largest market in the world, behind China and women.
Wow.
So those numbers stunned me. And as a trader, it's pretty easy to make money in a market that size. You can screw it up and still make a bunch of money, right? So as a trader, that's a big risk buffer. So for me, it was a no-brainer to build an index around companies that did it well.
What kind of value do disabled workers bring to the bottom line?
Well, it's less about workers, it's more about the customer. So if companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft can serve customers with disabilities, they can grow the revenue.
Right.
And when revenue grows into the low single digits, market the size of China globally can help grow revenue in a material way.
Yeah, that's a really big number. I did not expect that market to be quite so big. What's an example of a couple of the companies, you had mentioned Google, Amazon, that are within the index?
So our number one company is Google. They use disability as a driver of innovation. So people with disabilities use things very hard. They beat things up. And as a mainstream consumer company, you can use that use case to make your products better for everybody. And that's what drives returns here. If you can make things easier to use, if you can make things more robust, you can charge more money for it. And that's where the returns take off.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite. It's so amazing to hear the size of the market within the Return on Disability Index. It was great to meet with you, Rich.
Thank you, Jill.
All right. And thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.